Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will solve another question on APGP, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. It is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics 9709 and of additional mathematics code 0606 and 4037, right? So this syllabus which I have, or the outline which I have put here, I have taken it from this syllabus, right? But 9709 A level also covers almost the same syllabus. So here I have given here to recall you the formula for APGP and the sum of the formula which is given to you here. The important thing here is why the sum of the infinite terms in GP, which is here in the bottom, is this, and why is this condition given. So the explanation of this I have given in another video, and the link I am attaching in the description below. So if you are interested to know the reason why, then you can see that video. And I think every student should have this inquisitive mind, why? Then you can apply your knowledge in any new situation. So let's see this question. This is taken from May-June 22, variant is 2-2. So the geometric progression is given to you here, okay, and the first term is A. So let me start putting things here which I will read in the question. First term is A, which is, okay, let me write here, just a minute, let me be more precise. So I can say term 1 is A, okay, and the common ratio is R. So common ratio is R. This is given to you in the question, and the condition is also given that R is greater than 0, so it is positive. By the way, we know that the geometric progression has series A, AR power 1, AR power 2, AR power 3, and so on until it is AR power n minus 1, which is considered as the nth term, right? Now the second term of the series is 8. This is also given to you here. It means AR is equals to 8, which is second term. The question is giving you the sum of the third and fourth term, which means third term and fourth term. If you add up, the sum is equals to what? 160. And if I look at this series, what is my third term? It is AR square plus AR cube. So whatever I have written so far is all given to me in the question, and with the help of this situation I have to get this equation, and after getting this equation then I have to find out the value of A. So these are the two parts of the question. So let's do the first part of the question first, how to reach to this equation. So using this thing I will reach to this condition. Now you will notice that what you have to reach to has no A. It has no A. So how we will eliminate it? From here. So what you will think that GP is about the common ratio. The second term divided by first term will give you what? R, right? So second term here is what? AR. First term is A, and this is what? AR is equals to 8. I'm just writing down things from the given information in the question. AR is equals to 8, so I've put it here. So finally I got R is equals to 8 over A. Since I have to get equation in R, I will make A a subject, and I will plug in place of this A and this A to eliminate A. Whenever you substitute, that letter gets eliminated. Agreed? So now I'm writing 8 over R, this is R square, plus 8 over R cube is equals to 160. So this cancels out, you know, law of indices. So it will give me 8R plus 8R square minus 160. So I can divide this whole equation by 2. So what will I get? R plus R square 20. So I got it, what I have to prove. I'm writing it in the order in which I have to show. So this is what is shown here. You can see here r square plus r minus 20. So it is shown. So part 1 is done. Now for part 2, I have to find out the value of a. If I will solve this quadratic equation, what will I get? Absolutely right, I will get r. That I will plug in here to get the value of a. So let's solve this quadratic equation. Very easily you can factorize it. I'm sure you know middle term breakup. Because this question can also be solved without a calculator, so it can be part of the paper which is without calculator. So that's why I'm solving or showing each and every step here. Otherwise, if I use calculator or use mental maths, I can get the value of r directly in a second. Agreed? But if it comes in a paper 1, which is non-calculator now onward from 25, then you have to show all these steps. So I got r equals to minus 5 and 4. And what was given in the question? That r is positive. So I will take this value of r. So you can write here, since r is greater than 0, that's why I will take r equals to 4. Now to find out a, I will simply use that equation. I will use a is equals to 8 over r. And I will plug in the value here. So it will become 8 over 4 and you will get the value of a2. So this is how you will solve this question. So now let's see the part 2. I hope you understood. If you have any question, you can ask me in the description, in the comments please. So part B of the same question. It is given arithmetic progression, the first term is p. Now in AP, term 1 is a equals to p. And the common difference is 2, so d is equals to 2. With term, it's any number. So we know that nth term is equals to what? A plus n minus 1 d. So if it is qth term, then it will be tq is equals to a plus q minus 1 d. Now let me substitute the value of a and d. By the way, it is saying the qth term is 14. So instead of tq, I can write here what? 14. Just give me a second to erase this. Okay. So I will write here 14 equals to p and d is what? 2. So I can simplify this. It will become 14 equals to p plus 2q minus 2, which is 16 equals to p plus 2q, right? Or if I just want to write it further into simplified form, I don't know if it will be required or not. I'm just doing it here, right? So this is my equation 1. Second line of the question is saying a different arithmetic progression. So now let me change the color. So a different arithmetic progression, this is 1 done. Okay. Oops. Just a minute. Okay, so for the different arithmetic progression, now let me write here different so that there is no confusion. For different AP, the first term is again p in the given question, and the common difference is 4 now. Earlier it was 2. And what else is given? The sum of the q terms is 168. So let me write down here the formula for sum of the terms, which is what? N over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d, right? So he's saying qth term, so I'm writing as q. Wherever I have n, I will write there q. Agreed? And a is p, so I'm writing 2p. And d is what? 4. SQ is given to you here 168 in the question. So I will write here 168. I will open the bracket. 2p plus 4n minus 4. Then you have to simplify it so that you can solve two equations simultaneously. So I am multiplying 162 by 2. It will become 336, right? And I'm opening the bracket, so it is 2 QP plus 4. One thing. Instead of this n, I will write also q, right? Because my n is q, so I can write here q square minus 4q. Okay. Now this p I will replace by 16 minus 2q. Okay. So I'm writing here 336 is equals to 2q. Instead of p, I'm writing 16 minus 2q plus 4q square minus 4q. Okay, so now what will I do? Open the bracket, absolutely right, is equals to 16 to 32. 32q. You see, without calculator I am doing. So this question is, you can assume, be a part of non-calculator paper very easily. So now you see the terms can cancel out because this one and this one is same. So what do I get here? I got 336 is equals to 32q minus 4q. I think now the question is solved almost. 32 minus 4 is 28, right? So it is 28q. Now what is 336 divided by 28? Let me check in the calculator very quickly. Meanwhile, you can check in your calculator. 336 divided by 28 is 12. So q is equals to 12. And now to find out p, I will substitute in this formula, in this equation, sorry. 16 minus 2 times 12. So it is minus 8. So I got my p and q values, and this is what the question is saying. Find the values of p and q. So I hope you understood. Please press like and subscribe button. Press the bell icon. All my uploaded video, you will get the indication immediately. And I'm sure it will be a good source of learning for you. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.